ndọma njem ọnụ anyị wetara unu ozi gbasara ihe na-eme n'ala Igbo anyị, especially n'Imo steeti. Ịma na ọtụtụ oge gara aga o wewo mbọ ya eji, biko achọrọ m ka ime gị ka ị ga-egode ntị na vidio anọ maka na ọtụtụ okwu adịrọ n'ụka mgbede ka anyị gbapụnye ọsọ. Echefukwana ka ị share, kọmentị, klike like button ma ọnụ notification gị. Ya gaziere m.
Ibu mama jemonuwe na Chineke ka o Andi Roma marawo mebe Ibu mama jemonuwe Amao na Chineke ka o na Chineke ka ike Amao na Chineke ka o The Shalamites, you that I love, you know ya. Na Chineke ka o Andi Roma marawo amao na Chineke ka o Ebubo manje monue na Chineke ka o Andi Roma marawo amao na Chineke ka o The Shalamites, we love you. Na Chineke ka o na Chineke ka ike Andi Roma marawo amao na Chineke ka o The God of God n'eziokwu Andi Roma marawo amao leli a Chineke ka o Andi Roma marawo amao na Chineke ka o marawo wame na Chineke ka ike Andi Roma marawo amao na Chineke ka o Ebubo manje monu The Shalamites Amao na Chineke ka o Leli The Shalamites Imo will be great again. When you do evil, you think it is the perfect means of life. It gets to you one morning. I have seen series of messages, people chatting me, trying to confirm if Gento was arrested. Yes, Gento has been apprehended. Confirming from the right source, Gento has been apprehended and he's in custody right now. Ebono now, he will not feel like human. Breeze the bataya na and I thank God for the professional job they did by Imweti Anando. That guy failed to understand. You see that the old AK-47, Babu, those his boys on camera. Others will sell him immediately. Nevertheless, I came back on this live broadcast because if I can know, I'm not only gentle. I told them that the only time for them to change was yesterday. That tomorrow is not guaranteed. Hold on, I don't know why. The network is bad here. We told him Gentle was arrested around Ihube. In Ihube, in Okigwe. But I want you to ask yourself, how come this omnipresence couldn't shoot again? The ground was against him. As no onye mejo ndo onwara ha bia. Now, my essence of coming to this live broadcast is not to mock him. I'm not mocking him because I knew from the day one but I want you to take cognizance of this. Write this down. This is the second picture we've shown you, the ones you know. But I want many of you viewers here to realize this. Karma is real. Nature is real. And I want you out of this thing. I'm not mocking him because we know that this is the end of it. Osikanku reigned. Hold on, I'm coming. I want you guys to take cognizance of this. The same goes to everybody you see who rises to support injustice. Every evil you support, whatever gives you confidence, so far that thing is evil and you're supporting it, whatever gives you that confidence will fail you. Forget about what it takes. Forget about the time it takes. It will fail you. There is a young man. He's from Ohaji. They call him Okan at that time. Very tough. And I was privileged to talk to him on the phone. And I said to him, stop. Stop. He didn't hear. Today, Kebono. The same goes to everybody you see that has kept Ndibo in the condition of which they found themselves. All of them pays dearly with it. Now my message goes to Njemeko. Today again, I am almost at the place of my altar, and I'm saying this to you today. Njemeko, in case you see smoke, it's not smoke, it's incense. If I not sure you not go know, but it's a minor thing, don't worry. But in Jamaica, I want to let you know one thing. Amanga Figi. Anywhere, you see, for the bones of those people you see littered on the ground, in our bushes. Alima Amanchegi, the innocent people. And the same goes to those people whom are in support. Or what happened to Gentle is too little to what will happen to you. You will learn. It's just that when you want to here again. But your absence will tell the story. All the evil people, travelers, they kidnap Guru. Travelers that were kidnapped. Ebuoha, remote has scrap. People who gave you these guns, people who gave you this audacity in Ibushiwa, our people, there is peace in their state. I've quoted it before. And all of you whom are busy in the camp still listening to Jamaica. You're an idiot. Now you will see Southeast content creators, bloggers from the Eastern region now. They will now blog this one. They weren't talking. They will blog this news now. They are just waiting to confirm, as I've said now. They will start blogging it. Witch. Demons in human clothing. They pay you, you support every evil because you want to create content. It doesn't end around the Jamaica. For those of you who hides your image under shrines, under church to commit atrocities, one day nature will remember you. In a mela ala free because Nime Rubero. Time will tell. Time will tell. Imerubero. By the time Imeruru, you will know. The same goes to million and a million can again na Omaka. Brother, here Ebuga Mambo government or one of your boys here Ebugi. Go and write, I don't know, in one, the dead does not see their back again. But I'm telling you how you will end. Let humanity be a witness. You buy people, you buy our people, even though if they are not Igbos. Must you buy human being? Somebody get back to you. Your life was spared. That was why you grew up. Funny enough, so many of you have families. You remember to cut the hairs of your children when it's time. Your wife remembers but you don't care about another person's wife. You raped many. Gentle, those supporting you, watching a camera, you know it's in a camera and I chapter go to one. You ended their generation. If I'm not gathering one, or your sponsors not gathering hanama, it is not possible. Many traditional rulers came to Nimo. Many. The traditional rule of Okigwe, Ihube. This same soil, Lebanon made gentle arrest. The moment Oburu, that traditional ruler, towards you, somebody akrofo we Igwe, somebody akrofo we traditional ruler. The only place you can mechanize Biafra Bona your own community. That is against the collective decision of Ndibo. You turned our land, you turned our state into a blood-sucking state. You, all of you involved. Doesn't matter, those of you in Umele, in Umaka, it doesn't matter where you hide right now. But I'm telling you, something will fetch you out. At our closest, at all our altars of prayers, we'll begin to nail your name. We'll begin to nail your name. And when you have put gentle a born or pota na open place or marrow. Takoshi many. Utakoshi menden cause. You will see it happen. Hello. Governor Izogu is my name. Okay, I'm on live sections. Are you aware? Ntinyana last speaker. Please go ahead.
I may follow the honorable this man ejidere now. Dana Bamba Imo State. At least Imo State will swallow them.
It is compulsory.
Yes. How gonna na government will more. Upon the government achieve or Haga or but on both for them and compromise. So enjoy the good news.
Thank you very much, my brother. Businesses should not leave our state. Business on a many should invest. For business on see promote our people are tala for businesses left our state.
Yes.
Our economy was in shambles and somebody will be dishing out order from Europe. Maybe our state now and our brothers kept quiet. Do you know, brother?
Yes.
Brother, do you know that Eba na-akpọ Umuele in Ụmụaka? Do you know that our mothers don't go to farm again to cut palm fruit? Will make calls and find out. These people took over communities.
Imagine.
Verify this thing. Our mothers don't go to farm again. They can't even farm. And let me tell you, you know the worst thing? Some of these prodigal idiots on our support on social media have never sent even 1,000 naira to their parents. They don't even take care of their parents. Their parents is still struggles. Mega send their hand a town for them to feed on. Then the thank you they could tell their parents is to encourage insecurity back home.
See?
That's what these idiots are doing.
The natural freedom. The natural freedom. How much we have for her? You have big day, name in West. How much I
I'm telling you.
In the income of the state. How much
do you know that every one of them commenting on my page once at a time? It was so many things comes my way. I don't talk. Today when somebody feel one idiot, one boy, and when a man got some security men, I had to go and find out boy. Actually, Miss May arrest na Port Harcourt. He fled out of Port Harcourt. His name is White or something. This boy was lobbied by some idiots to speak against me, just like that on the internet. Bidokube, that our organization, the Shanamite family, of which I am not even the chairperson as I speak to you now. Somebody is in charge. There is a vice, they have all the offices, the capacities they need there. These people, their job is just to fight for humanity. Like Akanaba Togo, but they do it on their own without my name, Iota. This guy came on a ladies' platform. I told me and was insulting me. The lady claimed wasn't on one there because she was looking for means to hook up anybody obligatory deal with. But remember on this live session, one day I stood somewhere where boy on see a bulatia from nowhere. Till to don't attack for fear. Gentle na this live session kind of where we are at now. Ono ka brogi today. Oman gafia orugo 1 month. Now anom today. A lot of things like this happens. People don't know, but I don't post about it. And today, somebody came to my inbox and typed messages of threats to me. So, shortly when I had to verify that particular number, I discovered now the boy I work on our group who connect the people to frame up against me, just like that. Now, brother, here about social space. I'm going to show that post to that boy now. Send the Aragia. I'm not sending it to anybody named the boy or anything. But Lanya can go the brother. Oto wade. Today about 16th, Abi?
Yes.
Today about 16th. Yes. The boy Kuchara say na mbu winch. Here the CD call radio. After Choromoku, corona this camera where boy on say and I attack down fully with sleepers. Now today about 16th, in case if he's watching, from now till January, this coming January, Oga for 1 minute come. Because I Choromoku. Give the kind of threat this guy is sending him. Just like that. This guy could have gone for 100 days. I will post that in. I told me post here because of them. Not any of them, they are too toy. I was the first person. Karobi recently. So people na choku. They look for trouble where there's no trouble. How can somebody see evil, that this thing is wrong, and you want to support that thing? Because no one is your own person. Because no one is not your own relative. If you had built houses, save hundreds of millions, GRO1 duplex, somebody about in the name of gain, why their own family house be okay. My brother, you will never tolerate that nonsense.
Of course.
Now I encourage Ndimo. I encourage Ndibo. Yes. Yes. These people, they for the Mino. Udode, thank you. Thank you very much. Oga Derindi Bonamma. Imo Gade. Thank you. Thank you. So everyone listening to me, they've destroyed businesses in Imo State. They've burned down when that bachelor of for nothing. Very recently, do you know that the army in Umaka was going for inspection somewhere just to discharge their called out duty? Do you know that these people planted Ogbunigwe? So under me way because of Ogbunigwe whole mother, how we destroy your long mother. I didn't post it. I just some bank it, but I knew it was wrong. But army, the ethics of their job, they will be surprised. KKC ladies Ogbunigwe here. Hello? Governor Zogo is my name. I'm on live section, sir. On to the last speaker. All right, please go ahead, sir.
No, I'm from the good news.
Yes.
I'm from the good news. I'm from the one that he posted today. They say that put the news live. Say and here with the correct news.
Yes. Gentle, Commander Gentle, the Yahoo has been arrested. He has been apprehended. Let me not say arrested. Arrested will look as if he's a gentleman. He has been apprehended.
That guy is in Imo State. Imo State is that guy. I'm your kid on Imo State at all. Yeah? It's Imo State. I'm more issue.
Okay.
I'm more issue, but I'm just south.
That boy.
Like if I never know market. If I never know market kita. If I never know market kita, I'm job. No market. If you no market on them, nda cheap no market, but now abaga njaba.
Okay, njaba.
Now them we na governor. Njaba ka na abaga. What if you got no market? Ki went there no market.
Okay.
You know because ma want you so njaba, for ma bo. But njaba had them ma. Now njaba 24/7. I'm not them the we are.
Okay.
Wow, people in Java. My God. Sorry. My God. Yeah. How much? Okay, garage. I'm coming by garage.
So
go on everywhere, my brother.
who's somebody?
So any lad them no marker. I don't want to mark for now. If I may not Java, I got John Daje in Alpha. Here one Java. Here I won't go that on the road. Who called you? Who called you? They shall care. This man got the piano and position.
Bibiana or
I'm got the piano position. Got the next video. And I position on go.
Okay.
Who's on straight? About to travel. About who goes on the road.
Okay. Who calls you? Outside Shagam Bitolu.
Thank you.
Okay.
If who's on, you want to never, one Java. Ebe cashew no Java. You know, good cashew, if you never good cashew. I don't want one Java. The baby on our will put a shoe, and then a cashew no Java. Everyone knows he wouldn't just straight.
Sometimes, and when I want to. Yes, go ahead. Okay.
Yeah, you want to for Nana, in Nafanana. That I'm on Java there. You're a Java there. A baby will do like the buy a shoe animal. And we back a shoe on Java.
Okay.
About came down. We back a shoe, whatever was the Bundana. So you put aside the bank. A bear who goes inside on the road. Be more you put up than Dana Parker, and when I was on Egypt. So I turned down no mark, I turned down no mark, when you came down, when you came to foil no mark, halfway and I don't know matter. I've got what we share those people, and when you find them no mark there.
Okay.
You have a child down in Java, can I watch straight, and when I was on Egypt.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm going to have to today, this gentle young because this guy, they think I Imo State. Not that Imo State is a problem.
This guy megidere our people. This guy megidere our people. Do you know that, Imana? I have somebody. You know, on a live section, a lot more people calls me. Imana with somebody. Without this guy, so many people are complaining, go this kind of thing. Do you know that if you come back home now, go brand new car, barrier no way. Before in Abarla no way 2 days. Your town people don't know where they have information or forget have one hand phone. Those guys will just get your number and call you on the phone. Second neighbor from Nigeria need to hego. No meet hego na haga about all Does this thing, does this particular gangster attitude, does it have anything to do with the struggle for Biafra?
Imagine.
Some of our people now. They people go over there, you. That tip at our state, but I tell you.
I was in the Madonna Kramar, Imagine in a message Jaffa, and never pushing the Cassie, it would send any luck, as in the house of the Jaffa, get out into our name is Nemo State. You would tell the Nemo State, nothing to say.
Anyway, there is a lady, Anna Boya Adadi or Amma. She bases in Germany. In fact, dear Oji dear Tieno no Uri Kyoto. She controls her husband. And that woman and I on a live video. Neto Hana Guajento Hana and they have Buganobo Sabo while Onya go attack Obo. A bubero phone and community onya.
Okay.
But yeah, continue on there, here. Here me I will come. It doesn't matter the source, it doesn't matter the means. Ebo na na-eshi ihe n'ọkụ mmiri nọ there. Aja na nọ there. And when you call Syrian mmiri na ọbụrụ ihe akụrụ na ana. Therefore, soil is one. Aja bụ ofu. So far na enwere ihe opuru. Ebo sọrọ ya nọrọ. Ihe ya eme ya ama nkọ. Ebo sị na egbuo nwaanyị mmadụ. Egbuo di ya. Acha nwaanyị ara n'ihu ajentu na-enye ọta na nchapụtara ya. Nwaanyị ibe ya this. Ya nwa this support in support of that evil. In the same measure. In the same measure. The only place I fight here, Biafra, but no Kigwe. Kai. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Gangoro Ofwegu over the Rocha Sokora Chamber introduced that time as Igbo national anthem. And many of us we are going to repeat this thing in the days of rejoicing. The Ebusi, Imo will be better, will be better, will be better. Alimo will be better, will be better one morning. Imo will be better, will be better, will be better. Imo can be when will be better one morning. God bless you is my name. I am speaking to you from a live section. You're welcome. Should I put it on loudspeaker? Chai, before I give Kwoku, can go Imo will be better, will be better, will be better. Imo can be when will be better one morning. Go ahead, my brother.
Thank you, Nam. I am very proud of you.
Thank you.
Igboland, we are proud of that. I am very, very proud of what you're doing. I've been following you more than the steady.
Thank you.
Two of my church members, by May, when I buried my father in April. In May, they were coming in from Lagos. It's an SUV that one of them bought. One son, that's an only son of a lecturer, a young boy. Just around of state. That was the last time the portfolio had on the white. Say, and I am to go to the next 4 hours or 5 will be in Calabar. The man I see today, this people are holding her. I won't go to Hagaraga. Portfolio has 2 months. The other one, just in case the girl wants to marry, an only son of the family. these two gentlemen today. I won't get this man. Yesterday was Sunday. I was in a church. Those women are suffering for the book. 5th May. I don't think I leave also.
The guy. Ebe nwunye ya tụ nwa n'aka bi?
Yeah, the guy. Go ya ma in your hair na to put my put out today. 5th May.
Hey.
Yeah. The guy. Today. Their homes are not found. SUV. Nobody knows where about of the car. Mercedes for battery. You know? Terrible thing. Every day this lady keeps crying for Ali Igboland. I didn't want to go down. I said this is everywhere. I can't even pass in the state. I have businesses that I can't even pass there anymore. There is security. They will all come to full realization that there is nothing greater than God. Okay.
Thank you. 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 How do you feel hearing this thing? How do you feel that this guy, his wife, was carrying a newborn baby? Gentle and dotia wage were for nothing and collected his formatic jeep. How do you feel? How do you feel? Where is your conscience? Where is your conscience? Where is your conscience? Where is the mind of humanity? His wife is a widow. You have your own wife. You have your own children. You think yours will grow? Is that what you think? And not only they who commit these kind of things, not only for them who commit it, but even you who derives pleasure in it, the same judgment meets you. I know how I will feel. My brother. The same pain, the same way. This is the mind of human. The same way will it touch me when it happens to you. Flesh is flesh. Blood is blood. Humanity is humanity. Therefore, the Shadamites, before you whom I stand, everybody they involved, their sponsors majorly, the same thing meet Godiha. Angel makeup, you have no time around you. Every clock works against you. African Mesaragena, it will be against you from now. In case if there are other hidden sponsors or members who has this kind of syndromes of madness, such as you have, all of you. Somebody will buy a car and just come to his village for the very first time. On his way going back, who they kidnap people cannot talk against these things. But it is when their pastor comes to thief land in my place, all of them will queue up and be supporting evil. Evil people. Very, very wicked. Hello. Yes. Good evening. I'm speaking to you from a live section. Okay. Which I can't see on the last speaker. Go ahead.
Okay, Governor, so one may follow very well. But later, I noticed Nina, they follow one side of a story. Like, here was a little gentler. Like me, I support from your name.
It's supporter, madam. Your picture here bears the picture of Master Simon Epa. You are a supporter of
Let me
Igbo.
finish.
Come and get her from Yayoo. Even if you are calling me from Germany, come and get away from Yayoo. Bastards. These are the sponsors. If you are watching me, don't try that nonsense again. Get her from here. Wicked people. All of you will live abroad and you'll be supporting nonsense. Don't make me flag your, as in, show your number on social media. You idiots. Must you call me on the phone? Mothers. Evil people. He's calling me from Germany. Support to one now wickedness. Let me warn all of you. Let me tell all of you. Many of you that based back home here. If you are doing well, some of these idiots who must have failed abroad, they don't like you. They are not happy with you. They are the ones that will make calls and tell them to naga kidnap okay? Because you're doing well here. Wicked people, mothers. I just saw her picture now. I just saw her profile picture. These are the committers of evil in Igbo. They are rala. Wicked people. Thank you for Biagosi. Le picture dina DP this woman. Borom nebe korobish no nyara. You are a nonsense mother. You are a disappointment to your children. These are the kind of people. Some of you think that the years you left Nigeria is no longer like that here. People are doing well. Don't see us as fugitives. We don't need to come to Germany. We know what's going on there. You don't even have freedom. And I support one side of the story because each of how to save your Simon, how to save your gentle evil. And all of you who sponsors this evil, show me one place. Any of you have one pure water factory only in Okigwe. I'm not talking about company. Pure water company, you know, pure water factory that my last younger brother can just open tomorrow morning. You don't have. It's just how to destroy people's hard-earned money and sweat. That's what you guys do. Hello? Yes. Do you want me to put it on loudspeaker? Please go ahead.
Good evening, everybody. I like the way you shut up that woman. You know, people back home must open their eyes. What you're saying is true. People abroad are the people sponsoring that shit. They are the people who sponsoring that shit. When it started, even till today, some of them are so addicted. US, Germany, Spain, all over. Europe is even worse. They are so brainwashed with their dark heads. They still believe till today that Biafra is coming. You know, most of them abroad, they are not even learned. Very stupid set of people, excluding me, that is talking. You hear? They are the ones sponsoring that dirty, rather shit happening in Igboland. But thank God, most of them, their family has also tested it. It's only the innocent that have tested this rubbish that is paining me. They are the people till today. Most of them, they are POP this. Things are coming tomorrow. Nothing is coming. They sponsor this thing. They contribute money almost every month. They have money to some of them has contributed and they are tired. It's not coming. Some of them get out. But there are staunch people in this Europe still contributing for that rubbish. You hear? Don't give them that chance. It's high time people back home wake up and stop these idiots that are in Europe here, more especially in Europe where I am, they don't have any, they are failed. Most of them are failed. Or they go from street to street picking deads, college road. They don't have any good future here. That's why they think that if that Biafra come, they go back home and make something because they failed here. They are all failed idiots.
I know. That I know.
You know? I hate them so much.
I know.
For denying their brothers and sisters back home such freedom. They sponsor that shit. They brought out money. Even that Nandi Hakayo. But then making head big. My brother, I don't want to talk. I'm so annoyed. Anyone that come there and say rubbish, just cut the idiot out.
No problem.
Very stupid, unlearned persons.
No problem. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now, I like to make this open here. I like to make this open. Eba hum no. Anywhere I'm not actually. Eba kam na ekwu eziokwu. Number one, all of us Igbos, nobody despises that blood of being a Biafran. Not even any sitting governor who pretends against that is an idiot. Your father fought for something. Your grandfathers fought for something. Your uncles fought for something. That's right. These people will celebrate them. Me, I will continue celebrating those heroes who fought for me to survive this day. Who fought for my dad to be there. But you see any other idiot trying to stand upon that thing to now start taking the lives of our people. You are an idiot. You cannot pet it anywhere. You are an idiot. Show me one of you guys who beckoned on the name Biafra. The stands of our forefathers, what they fought for with their lives, just for you and I to stay alive. There was no record anywhere. That time during the Civil War. But now you eat human flesh. You that they fought for and you are living. The thank you will tell our heroes in the grave. Do you know that if we were agitating that 30th of May must be respected nationwide across the corners of Nigeria? The man gave me obey. Do you know that they honored Abiola one man, not to talk of millions of people that died? He made that one achieve. Once you achieve that one, you cannot talk about another thing. They learn to elect people who want a sense. Stop electing idiots in power. Stop electing goats. Stop electing animals who only want money and he can hang. You've not worked on these things. Just wake up one morning. So if Biafra comes, who is going to rule me? The likes of Gento and Jamaica idiot or any of you idiots. Many of you contributed to whatever we are facing right now. Don't you know? Hello? Hello? I've taken your calls, you don't know. Hello? Yes, please reduce the volume of the other one, DJ Game. Thank you. So you want me to put it on loudspeaker? Okay, please go ahead.
Okay. Thank you, one them. I like them more. In the no nyagwarezo kuyakwere. Emana, as I'm speaking to you, onwelo one idiot, one name okay, mero involved in that rock. And they and quando million cause. Those people know Budo Yibo. Emana. Ha yuzu ha na-ekwe mmadụ nkwa ha na-ekwe ha nkwa ma na-eburu brain ha mami ha ji eburu brain nda a na-ekwe ha nkwa ama mma ndị na-enwere sense ijiri ego some of them na-esikwe hapụ village ha ji obodo ọzọ ga nọrọ na-eme ihe na-ekwesịrị ekwesị hapụ your business iji maka hapụ be nna gị happy and those people will not come out. Nobody will come for you. Family will be bearing the consequences. Because now, and when one age them one day say because none ever is one day get 1 naira or 2 naira na prison a bono. So because one asim come kenegi. I have been following you long time for a long time, and I'm like in name. This is it
is compulsory.
Kaimaro Fina and Ariana Kuna Contra Drama, Madana Aqua, no that ten over the debts, and Gabapo says in a legal. Thank you very much, my brother.
Thank you, my brother. Who goes here again? Who goes here again? So you guys kept supporting evil because Orutebegi. And let me say this thing. Please, the next caller, I will take your call. Let me say this thing. Many of you who live abroad, I don't know what you take us. We staying back home. I don't know what you see us or what you take us for. Do you know that some of those idiots who have been sponsoring this kind of nonsense, Do you know where they start this nonsense from? They look down on you because you are in Nigeria. Who told you they crazy? You they mad? Some of these people will send you message, oh, and they will be like, bring your account number. Let me send you transport. Let me send you fuel money. You go send account. They will send you 10,000. Look at this idiot. Even your 50,000. They ruin your manager in a job and a restaurant. He really wants. But don't remember on a sponsor people. They don't buy nonsense. If life is better with you, you go there abroad. They go to scam you. You go to buy sand. They go to pour for land. They go to thief. Say the wise and do church. They mad. Supporters of evil. Hello? Hello, I've taken your calls, please. I've taken your call. Can you hear me? Thank you. You're welcome, sir. Should I put it on loudspeaker? Please go ahead.
Asian from China now. Asian China now. But I give Nigeria number. I give my daughter of my number.
You're welcome.
Speech.
You're welcome.
Okay. I'm very happy for your statement. It's all very wonderful and very authentic because my brother only today. Ogahama that's near me. One of my brother, the same village, last month, a very hefty man. I was just west of the man, she Lagos, but I was just like that. Ali is so terrible. I know, as I know, who don't have to remember the family. The form there, which has got to school, my wife from there.
Okay. Network, my network, please allow me. Okay, go ahead. If you can hear me, sir, go ahead.
Hello?
Go ahead, sir, go ahead. Go ahead, Armano. I can hear you.
Yeah. I can hear you, my brother. Yeah, my brother, yes, quite all right. And I support the freedom of Biafra. I want to kill. I want to kill any evil man, any evil person. I want to kill the way gentle Jalaga to the soul of people. All is so terrible. Human being. My brother, I'm not talking I will not like I'm a member of IPOB. But I can never encourage evil to kill people. I will not, and I will never. Because today, I have to condemn bad thing. I have to condemn evil.
Your job.
And my brother, over too much.
Thank you.
And another one, I will actually get that. Anybody from my name, don't allow them to condemn, please. Don't allow them to call it a competition now. Please, I'm begging you.
Abru name gentle. Abru name make up. Me, I know they fear those idiots. Basically, Nikaka, Nkucha Gabriel Akana, we are getting Nkucha here with Aka first, or matter no name. In my hand, idiots on the yesterday. In 2008, in the year 2000 or 2003, 2004, Mbakotism can we militancy can in a river state. Where were these idiots? Kebehano. These are nobodies. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And what are your name? Governor Zoe is my name, speaking to you from a live section. Hello. Governor Zogu is my name. I'm speaking to you from a live section. You are not serious. Next caller. Hello. Hello. Now, let me tell you this. And I kept asking them. Which of their sponsors, which of those idiots who were busy sponsoring these things has one hospital in Nigeria? In a choice of your people, Ndo. Where is your factory? Show me, even your own papa house. Show me the kind of house where you give your papa. Hello? Governor Zogu is my name. I'm speaking to you from a live section. Do I have your permission to put it on loudspeaker? You want to contribute anything? Please go ahead.
Sorry?
Go ahead, go ahead.
Okay, my brother, you know, Mamaka, you got go see.
Amen.
Only when did it born it? Imo State, that mama. Wow, Egypt today, Abogi. After Nigeria last Xmas, I couldn't sleep in my house.
Imagine.
You know, in the morning, we get home my mom, now my in-law side. Ever my moon or kid, precisely. Only namu wherever I go here because of this info guy.
Gentle.
This guy Gentle the Yayoo. He's so all. This is Anna, but he met on.
Battle volume the other one is again.
Don't give. Continue to the extent. They have Biafra again. Okay, and Gentle the Yayoo.
Somebody never saw him. Gentle, all his life, Gentle will go 50 bags of cement before. Gentle, and all of those idiots, and women can grow 50 bags of cement before. These are fools. Amen. 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 Thank you very much, my brother. Let's take another call. No, nobody should be discouraged. Nobody should be afraid of them. Nobody should be afraid of any of them. People that are afraid of them, both bloggers, bloggers who blogs for church. Idiots, real life, they bow. Hand over, and they make a noise.
All this atrocity.
Yes. Don't drag my brother. I am going to talk about one man here. There's one man I'm going to talk about. I want you guys to go and monitor the character of this man. I would like you to go and monitor the character of this man. Check whom he is, his life, and his records. I'm going to talk about somebody here, but I need you to be patient. Gentle. Was there any upstairs in his father's compound? So everyone watching me now, Gentle the Yayoo, somebody should help me show his father's compound on camera. Are there one upstairs? Even no house where they that compound we made it security house, ordinary security house. As I am now, so I will just rise, I will go and burn down somebody's house. How? Why? Somebody from abroad will be encouraging it, and their husbands. How can you stand as a man when you now commit atrocities? Your wife is not the one. Listening to Igbo. Now cause confusion, they displace people. And you're comfortable. My name is Governor Ezioku. I am speaking to you from a live section. Do I have your permission to put it on loudspeaker? All right, go ahead, please.
Yeah,
you're welcome.
And the Chineke Ondini na no do you sponsor there. Especially in the have on over do you. Come higher bomb kasi what I thought one more children what I did a change to have. area na sponsor ndara they destroy ya na Igbo niile. Not just Imo State, the neighboring towns of Anambra.
Yes.
Ebe niile nwere ebe a na-aga a na-egbu ụmụ mmadụ na-agba ndị mmadụ ọkụ na-agbụ na ndị mmadụ ọkụ ma mmadụ onye nwugoro n'ihe a na-egbu ihe innocent souls.
Just like that.
Anybody pụtara bịa say that ya bụ IPOB is an also idiot. Onye abụ onye ara because ọ bụrụ etu ka esi nweta country. If you want to be Biafra, you follow the right source, or what I did with you, no. Now, I need to was the enemy, especially or low Ehala, one enemy. Business in the Baha, only about one enemy at us, so one another be again because of stupid idiots in one hand. What if I say they have done up with that PUB and up with the income? But when I say they have that PUB and up with the Hojo and many Buana, sick also up with the Hojo and because one are corner to them all the time. So God will help us. America in the Jesus.
Amen. Amen. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. All right, next caller, please. My name is Governor Zoko. I'm speaking to you from a live section. Do I have your permission to put it on loudspeaker? Ndarala. No, your papa compound. You since you stays abroad, you could not build a mansion for your people. You could not give them a secured life to live. Your mother is still managing in that same old house, but you're living abroad. If abroad no favor you, why can't you come back? Do you know that as I am here and as I'm seated here, no be story you. What I'm about telling you, no be jiggernaut story. Do you know that I cannot base in London? Do you know I cannot leave Nigeria and relocate to London? Do you know I cannot leave Nigeria and go to Canada to base? Do you know it's not possible? Do you know as I am here now, it will be hard. I can only go to America and come back. I can only go to London, return back here, just like that. But you see, living here complete, na lie. Despite these idiots, the way they rule us as leaders, so many of them, I don't feel come on here. I no go fit. Are they here, guy? You no go understand. Are they here? Are they comfortable? All I'm going to do over there, na Port Harcourt. First and second. If my years okay taking one abroad before get retaliate. About noise. My agwa ge unu che na owo no ko onya ahu na etu. Oburu noise. Yangwa ge bu reality. Hello, Governor Zogo is my name. Hello, I have picked your call, madam. Yes, sir. Should I put it on loudspeaker? Please go ahead.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Because when you were using my wife's number, because
No.
my own had that connect.
No problem, no problem. You're welcome, sir.
Okay. My brother, you know, I've been following you, and then I always put all. And it will put fear and intimidation for many people now. And that is number one thing I need in a bag. I'm not at all. I need people not unnecessary. Do you know that sometime, a bit 2 years ago, people came there, you demanding a man, I'm actually here. I told them, I'll take from I'm at mother, I'm at you because you have not done a woman one day. Now, all I mean now, that will job and intimidation for 25 million. We have it here. That this thing I took, I did that is obvious when you're one. People thought we are celebrating them on the street now. So when we are going, somebody was saying, I want to come in and I shout, now, Jay. He said, they couldn't hear me. If we have on Kimberly the face, another person coming to pray me with difficult thing. Now, look at what is going on. Now, it's everywhere. And let's not blame. I could go up on my body, but then I took already bone. This is our people. Maybe they're not going to say, Fulani, I don't know where. You understand what is going on. And then I went here, one of my cousins named was go this guy. When they this guy named me life. When they make go they go. Every time I be and I did John, I be one nature. As we speak. Look at the time I go my young man. What kind of madness is this? Someone look at the woman and people a phone and asking for my Bible. Everywhere all goes to the Naba. Until I'm the Bible, the peace is the mafia, nobody. But if people can stand up, Mandina cover. In the name of one thing or the other, I told John one day, it I told John, I told the guy when I told people are not told the guy, but you know, not down over down. And when they are 2014, we have to do. They have to kidnap one, they will tell me go to kidnap us there. We tell them to go, I'm a fake and all. We tell these people, where did them, okay, Bruce Gun with it. Where's now, when they also say, later the guy here. Oh, that confront him, what they can see my brother. When you bring money, say, I'm not. They will put it as you because you will meet me there. I'm not to go to anything. I'm not going to be soup. And the last time I'm a wounded delusion of blue. I'm a messenger. I didn't go today. I happen on now. Now, the body they will talk. Come, Miss Wilco. Daddy, now they book. And I'm Mushi, and I have Bocano. They got enough for Bunny when I Bunny, we can ban a Banoka, Kaka, and Kiyama. How many house? People are not work people. If you put my conversation, people are not here. What kind of nonsense is this? How do we get to this level? I'm not to die blame. Blame my brother. Amen. And the one that when so many people like to start and they are in them. And Chineke, they keep telling our people, you know, Nigeria, it's one thing happen. Nobody, one man is so. You're not here, I'm a little bit at the beach. You're a bit because it's why you can take it after life. Even if I total sense, people change you. If I hear you can't make it. Because it's all you going on though. Just like here, I'm not Nigeria today. Look at every bandits. Everyone is peacekeeping with the bandits. Look at the way Nigeria is ready today. Because people are actually going with you. And today people are lying. About people guys then so today the thing I never had. Look at villages. He did like he but I want to so I don't know where I know who do you. We go inside the places, inside the towns, and we lie and have them. When you put I see you, and by Kupana, and I got about they are not the eye go to Cardia. When you must look at they said the dollar, there was a lady in Igboland or I will not take it. There was a lady for the last. Was in the film because I do able to see from our formula and I let everything to thinking that they got something rubber and that. How is it? I answer you. About a cake, can I buy? Thinking that the Nigeria will have them. I said, no way I never. I said, I took it. When I came about the last minute, people were here. Then I told them, when you do it, to see a begging. Has so much.
Ane shino lo mara mmapu ama.
Thank you. Look at this in 19something. I told you I'm going back to the history. They are going to go back to history. I believe I am part of man. He also when anybody one I understand I am part of man. In the general, he got part of money. Or why we have a stand back. I never had no problem. We not go back. I was sitting my hands, my mama was in the place. I like after go again. We don't call in you. You don't know, men, who say, men, no, well, if I am okay, the Akamona.
My brother, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Chukwu enyere anyị aka.